Alright, paisanis, you saw the prep. This is the finished product of the lasagna. Just toasty enough around the edges. Okay, let's see. Not too jello-y at all. Looks pretty good. We're going to cut into it in a little bit. Alright, then we'll have some good eats. Alright, paisanis, here's the finished product. Homemade meatballs. Not bad. Tastes good though. Right at ground level. Wasn't as fluffy as I thought it would be, but could have used a little more spice. And I don't know. It looks good. Anyways, let's go for the dish. Doesn't look that bad. Got a little meat in there. It's kind of gravied out. You know, let's see if we can, I don't know, find everything in here. You got some meat in there. You got some, there's some meat. There's some ricotta. Some more meat. All in all, looks pretty good though. So anyways, I'm not set up for this, but that's my lasagna, and let's see what we can do. Maybe go and eat something. Hey paisanis, how you doing today? Welcome to the Italian Guys Food Tour. Yes, we're not in the studio tonight. We are up here in my messy kitchen, and back there is ground zero. Still have to clean up. So, let's see what we got. Homemade meatballs. Okay. Yes, I have the TV going in the background. Could have been fluffier, but my very first lasagna. Let's see what we got. Look at the heat coming off of that baby. Right there, some meatball. Like I said, the only thing I could see, it could have been a little fluffier. Oops. And it's just coming apart. I haven't had lasagna in a long time. But all the flavors are there. I can improve, trust me. Looks good. A little more meatball. See what we got. All right. A little more meatballs. I love, no ball jokes, but I love my meatballs fresh. All right, a little bit of lasagna, fresh lasagna. So, I put lasagna, I don't know if you can see it, a little bit of meat in the lasagna. It worked out okay. I think I did something wrong. because it came apart. And it didn't hold together like mine used to make. But again, improved. Let's see what we got going on. Lots of ricotta cheese on there. It's good stuff, though. Anyways, welcome to the Italian Guys Food Tour. I'm a little thrown off. I'm not in my studio. And I am a little hungry. So, see what we got. A little meatball. No onions. Just a little bit of ricotta. Seasoning. A couple eggs. Mix it all together. Get your hands all squishy and all that crap. Then throw it back in. That's that. So whoever it was that asked for lasagna, the Italian Guys lasagna. No tripod. This is what we call raw kitchen footage. Fresh from the pan. So, do what we gotta do. A little more homemade meatball. A little more. All right, paisanis. That's the Italian Guys homemade lasagna. And I showed it to you. Went up pretty good. Tastes awesome. What else do you want? If you can cook, cook. Absolutely. 10 times better than anything store-bought that I've tasted. That's why it's a gift if you learn how to cook. Absolutely. Cook and cook and cook. All right, guys. Manja. Have a good day. Eat up, baby.